Which of the following is a characteristic feature of cropland ecosystem? Option A, absence of soil organisms. Though cropland may have fewer soil organisms due to pesticides or plowing, it doesn't typically lead to their complete absence. So that means option A is incorrect. Option B, least genetic diversity. Yes, this is true. The cropland ecosystems are typically characterized by monoculture farming, where a single crop species is cultivated over a large area. And this leads to low genetic diversity because the focus is on growing one crop species, often with genetically similar individuals. So that means option B is the correct answer. Option C, absence of weeds. This is also incorrect. We know that weeds are common in cropland ecosystem and farmers often use herbicides to control them. So option C is incorrect. Option D, ecological succession. So in cropland, ecological succession is often interrupted due to regular plowing and planting. So succession is not a typical characteristic of cropland ecosystem. So option D is incorrect. The answer is option B.